guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a lock detox. My lock detox is one of my most popular videos on my channel, so I wanted to do a new one because I haven't done a lock detox in over a year. I think it's definitely been like at least a year since I did my last one, and I want to do this one in a little bit more detail for myself because I'm doing it at home, and whenever I get my hair done at the shop I'm always like just trying to get done and go. I'll be ready to go, like the shop is not home, so, and it's usually like Courtney's had a full work day, which is my wife who's my hairstylist. I had a full work day and I'm getting my hair done, so I'm always ready to go. So it's kind of just like I get my footage and I go. But I'm home today. It's the weekend and we have nice little things, so I'm gonna show you everything I'm using. But again, we're doing a lock detox, which is an ACV rinse, and lock detox is basically just kind of go inside of your locks, because if you don't know, locks are these things. My locks are small, but some people have bigger locks. They get clean. I get my hair done washed once a month just like any person, but I just feel like, you know, skin, sweat, things like that. I work out, daily shedding skin, things like that. You don't really get a super good clean on your locks the way you do with loose hair, because locks have hair inside of dead hair inside of hair, so it's a process of you need to really give them a good clean. So starting off, Walmart, great value, baking soda. You just need basic baking soda, nothing special. We have a big box because my wife is a hairstylist, so she brought this from the shop to do my hair. You also need apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. It has to have the mother with the mother. This is the brand we choose to use. Those are the two most important things, but for me what's important is I also have this basin, which is a blow up basin, and we got it off of Amazon. If I can find it on in my Amazon cart from my things that I have bought already, I will link it down below. If I can't find it, it's not linked. So it's just a blow up hair basin for you to wash your hair. If you were like disabled or handicapped or something like that, it just makes it easier for those type of people, but you can use it too. Those are the things we need. We also are going to use lemons. You can use lemon juice, or you can use regular lemons. My wife's going to use regular lemons, but that's only because that's what we have in the house. We have real lemons, so we're going to use real lemons, but lemon juice is okay too. But of course fresh is always better. I'm also going to be dyeing my hair today, so I want to show you the kind of hair dye I use. The dye that I use is the Beijing. A lot of times men use it to fill in their receding hairlines or their balding sparse beards. I'm using it to color my hair because I did have a situation where I colored my hair over a year ago. I colored my hair like a year and a half ago. I immediately regretted it. My hair did not get damaged, thank God, but my hair was virgin before I locked it, so I think that's why I had grace on why my hair didn't get super damaged. But yeah, you don't have to worry about me doing that again. And I don't like it when I get my rope twist. I don't like that I have two different types of hair colors and it looks like a candy cane. I hate that. I think it's such a tacky look, and it's cute when your locks are individual and you have color, but I don't like what it looks like when I get rope twists, and I get rope twists pretty much every other month, so I constantly don't like that look. So I'm dyeing my hair a solid color. Here's my shampoo. I may or may not show you guys of me getting my hair washed. It's just really the ACV I want you to see, and me actually getting my hair dyed because I'm changing the color. You might notice that it's a lot darker than it typically looks in my video, so I wanted to show why. But here's the neutralizing shampoo that I use because I got a lot of nice little comments on my last hair video when I talked about the neutralizing shampoo for my because I have dermatitis and I feel like this is like a toner for my scalp. So this is the exact one I use. It's the one at the beauty supply store, and it's the one you use after you perm your hair, but I use it on my natural hair. Those are all the products that I'm using today. I just want to show you. So yeah, we finna get started. I'm finna get my ACV. And also, if you want to know how many boxes I'm using, it really don't matter because my hair is my hair and your hair is your hair, but I'm using 6 or 7 boxes. We got 7. I'm pretty sure we only need 6, but we got 7 because if you think you only need a certain amount, get an extra one every time. So we have this big old bed that we got from like IKEA, and it looks like this. It's like literally a little mattress pad, and we got it because some of our friends have kids, and if they spend the night, we need an extra bed for their kids because some people don't want to sleep in the bed with their kids, so we got a little pad for the kids. But that works for me because I'm gonna put it right here in the middle of the floor. Coffee table's over there, ottoman is moved. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the floor and lay down so I can lay down and get my hair done in the basin. Okay, so now before my wife, before I sit down inside of my the basin right next to me, I set it up. She's gonna pull apart each one of my locks just to like open them up at the root and as much as she can, so she can get as much dirt from the parts of my hair that's closest to my scalp, because you know sometimes it's not all the way locked, so you can get up in there good. So that's what we're gonna do on my entire scalp. So it's the next day. I have on my African muumuu, period. My hair is done, as you can see. My ends are all black. Well, I use dark brown, so it's dark brown. But you know, black people hair be looking like it's black till you get up in there and see it's brown. So it's brown, guys. And that detox, y'all, I can tell such a big difference in the detox because my hair feels so light. Like that's one thing I haven't, my wife is behind in the kitchen cooking. And I haven't told her that. So babe, my hair feels really light. I didn't tell you that. But it feels like, man, like the flow. Like I remember when I used to pick my hair up like this, it would slap my back like hard. Like my hair would come down on my back really hard. You don't know how much dirt is in your locks until you get a detox, because now my hair feels so light. Like it's so light. And like it feels like I don't have a bunch of dead hair in my hair. It feels like I just have like a silk press or something. That's how light my hair feels. Sorry I was crusty in this video. It was very natural and just trying to be fresh. I don't even have a retwist. I'm not getting my hair done because I'm going on vacation in about 2 weeks. I'm gonna get my hair done in about 2 weeks and you guys will see it. But my hair is done. It is dyed and it is detoxed. I'm very happy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, which will probably be me getting this hair done in about a week or so. Thank you guys. My hair is clean. I think you should definitely do a detox if you haven't done one in over 8 months. Do your detox. Do it now.